To borrow money, start by downloading and opening the Brigit app on your phone. You will be presented with a similar screen, on which you need to click the Next button. From there, create an account by clicking the Sign Up button and entering your email and phone number, followed by clicking Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, which you must enter in the provided box. Next, set a strong 4-digit PIN. You will then be given two options: getting a cash advance or building your credit score. Select the cash advance option and wait for it to load. You will be prompted to provide your personal details, including your first and last name, after which you must click the Continue button. You will then be asked to connect your bank account by checking the required boxes and clicking the Connect Bank option. This will open Plaid, which will connect to your bank account. Click Continue and enter your bank details, allowing the system to review and calculate the loan amount. Once completed, click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen, followed by the Last Step button. Your deposit options will be displayed, and you must select the deposit shown under the Your Deposit section. Choose a paycheck date that suits you, and click the Confirm button once you are satisfied with the details. This completes the process of borrowing money.